Hey guys, ako nga pala si Smooth at ako ay isang dating coach. At ngayon natagpuan ko na ang magiging partner or magiging kabiyak sa aking buhay. Ito na siguro yung pagkakataon para i-share ko yung nalalaman ko or sikreto ko kung paano ko natagpuan ang babae para sa akin. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this video, magbibigay ako ng 5 body languages. Okay, 5 body languages para malaman mo na attracted sa'yo ang isang babae. So most of the time, when you go out and talk to women, lalo na pag harap-harapan, no? It's like when you're talking to her, iniintay mo yung word na, okay, I like you. Iniintay mo yung word na, hey, you're so adorable, you're so beautiful, you're a beautiful man, or you're handsome, something like that. The word I like you or I love you, so medyo matagal pa lalabas yun eh. And most of the time, girls will never tell you those lines except for hook na siya at the same time, different, mga ilang days na kayo or ilang months na kayo nag-date. Malalaman mo ang isang babae kung nagkakagusto siya sa'yo through body languaging, because body language don't lie. Makikita mo lahat yon. So, what are the top 5 body languages para malaman mo na attracted siya sa'yo? First is the hair touch. When a girl is attracted to you, tinatouch niya lang hair. It was like, oh my God, yo, really? Oh, really? Oh, nakita ko yun, no? Ay, hindi, no? So, something like that. They keep touching it and then they do this, they do that, you know? And it's indicators of interest. Hindi nila na pinapansin yun. So, pag sinabi mo, oy, attracted ka sa akin, syempre sasabihin nila, hindi. At the same time, ginagawa nila yun because it's hardwired sa kanilang body language na ganun ang animals, no? Pag attracted sila sa isang animal, meron yung gumagalaw sa kanilang katawan or meron yung papakute sa kanilang katawan or they touch somewhere, hindi kung saan-saan pero may particular part. Okay, at the same time sa girls din. When they're attracted to someone, hindi na-touch nila yung hair nila. That's indicators na it's like grooming. Yan ang equivalent niyan. One of the indicators is hair touch. Okay, ang question is, paano pag dalawa kami? Dalawa kayong guy, tapos isang girl, tapos nagaganon siya. Kanino ngayon yung indicators of interest na yun? Let's say she's touching, right? So, imagine this, you and this, your friend. So, let's say, pag nag-touch yung hair, tapos yung dulo ng hair, kung saan napupunta, dun attracted yung isang babae. So, let's say, I'm touching like this, dun like that, okay? Or like this. So that means that girl is attracted to this person, okay, not this person. I might be wrong, but based on my 12 years of experience, that's how I saw it. And number 2 is they lean in, okay? Most of girls, when they're attracted, they do this, like, what? Malalaman mo pag may binubulong ka or may sinasabi ka tapos and nagli-lean in talaga siya. Or let's say, nakaupo ka lang tapos bigla siyang magli-lean in na ganyan. So, that's indicators of interest then. Number 3 is touches you, okay? Pag hinahawakan ka like, oh my God, you know, touching you like this, or pushing you away, or hey, what's that? You know, pinupush ka ng parang ganito. Kahit ano, basta kind of touches you, alright? That's solid indicators of interest. Number 4 is facing you more, okay? Pag the more na nag-face siya sa'yo, it's like parang mas hinaharap ka niya, that's indicators of interest. Kasi nagpapakita siya na, oh, I want you in front of me. Kasi most of the time, if she's not attracted, she's gonna be just like this, like, I know, and then just leave. And if she's attracted to you, she just talk to you like this, like, yeah, maybe. And the last one is she's smiling at you, okay? If a girl doesn't attracted to you, she's probably not smiling at you, lalo na pagkakilala mo, no? So when she's smiling at you, glance at you a couple of times, like that means she's attracted to you. When you see those kind of indicators, you just have to approach her. Pag nagpapakita naman siya ng ganon, so it's okay, just talk to her. Relax, huwag ka masyadong excited kasi nakikita mo yan. When she smiles at you, that's indicators of interest. And here are bonuses, okay? Bonus number 1 is when you're talking to her, or let's say when she's attracted to you, girls will always show their neck, okay? They expose their necks, like they do that. Even if they're not looking at you, they have to show this, okay? Nilalabas nila tong neck nila. It's like trying to seduce the guy. They're not even aware, but what I'm saying here is like, again, it's unconscious, okay? Hindi talaga nila iniisip. And the next one is they lick their lips. It's like, they do that. So when you see those body language, that means she's attracted to you. There's something in there. Okay, there is some emotion. And the last one is like, let's say pag tinitignan ka niyan 3 beses, like that, that's indicators, okay? That's a solid indicators of interest. And then the next one is, pag makikita mo yung pupil niya, medyo anime eyes, like parang, like that. Pag nanonood kayo ng anime, yung pupil niya medyo dilated, that's super indicators of interest. At the same time, the legs, okay? The last bonus is gonna be the legs, okay? Ibig sabihin nun, kung halimbawa, ito yung legs niya, pag ito yung legs niya, when she's attracted to you while talking to her, nagko-cross siyang ganito. Okay? That's parang naglalaki. I'm not going anywhere. I'll stay here. Okay? Kasi pag hindi siya attracted to you, you just like leave. When crossing the legs, that means she's giving you indicators of interest. That means she's kind of attracted to you. Alright? So I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Smooth Coaching. Follow me on Instagram, smooth.coaching. So thank you again for watching. See you on my next video.